Popular IT inventions. First computer. Difference engine, 1821. Charles Babbage, also known as father of computer, started working on the difference engine, which is based on the principle of finite differences. It uses only arithmetic addition and removes the need for multiplication and division, which are more difficult to implement mechanically. The project was commissioned by the British government, but due to its high production cost, the funding was stopped in the middle and the machine was never completed. First general-purpose computer, Analytical engine, 1834. Charles Babbage conceived a more ambitious machine, the first general-purpose programmable computer engine, later called Analytical engine. It has many essential features found in the modern digital computer. The machine was programmable using punched cards. The engine had a store where numbers and intermediate results could be held, and a separate mill where the arithmetic operations were performed. The engine was also capable to perform direct multiplication and division, parallel processing, microprogramming, iteration, latching, conditional branching, plus shaping, though Babbage never used these terms. Unfortunately, like difference engine, this machine was also not completed. First computer program, 1841. World's first computer programmer, Ada Lovelace, began translating Luigi Manabria's Italian mathematician records on Babbage's analytical engine in 1841. She understood how to make it do the things computers do, and she suggested the data input that would program the machine to calculate Bernoulli's numbers. Tabulating Machine, 1884. After graduation from Columbia University School of Mines in 1879, Herman Hollerith collaborated with his former professor, William Trowbridge, who had received a commission as a special agent for the 1880 census. Over the next 10 years, Hollerith worked on his idea of a machine punch and count cards. During all this time, he was occupied with the problem of automating the tabulation work of the census. By 1890, he had designed machines to record statistics by electrically reading and sorting punched cards that had been numerically encoded by a perforation position. First analog computer, differential analyzer, 1930. Vannevar Bush, MIT engineer, developed the first modern analog computer. It was an analog calculator that could be used to solve some specific set of a differential equation, a type of problem common in engineering and physics applications, which are often very tedious to solve. The machine produced approximate, albeit practical solutions. First working programmable computer, 1941. Conrad Zuse, inventor and computer pioneer, designed the first series of the Z computer in 1936. Z1 was completely mechanical and only worked for a few minutes at a time. It works in Boolean operations and flip-flops based on vacuum tubes. The use of different technology, relay, led to Z2 and eventually Z3. The Z3 was built with 2000 delays, implementing a 22-bit length. Constant data and program code was stored on punched film. Thus, no rewiring was necessary to change programs. Z3 was a secret project of the German government put to use by the German Aircraft Research Institute to perform statistical analysis of wing flutter. The original machine was destroyed in 1943 during an Allied bombardment of Berlin.